Hey guys, Daniel here. Today we're going to do a really big giveaway for the Mi Fan Festival, but I think we might need a bigger box. That's probably going to do it. This is definitely the biggest box I've ever seen. It's going to be a good Mi Fan Festival. Okay, but how do we open this thing? There's a door here. Okay, now this is a box. Oh, they even got a seat for me here. Okay, guys, let's get started. So, find myself in a pretty big mystery box. Now, the reason why we're here is for the Mi Fan Festival. The Mi Fan Festival is all about giving back to our fans. To do that, first off, I want to introduce some products. Here, we've got the Mi Smart Speaker. So this is a smart home control hub. It's connected via Google, and it's got a 12.5 watt speaker. So big sound, big audio, big connectivity. But let's say you want something a little more on the go. Got the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker. This is 16 watts and it has IPX7. What this means is you can get a little bit of rain on it and you're not gonna have any problems. Now for me personally, pretty hard choice. What would you guys want? For now, let's just put these over here. What about entertainment? For that, I think they've hidden over here. First off, Mi TV Stick. This thing's pretty great, especially if you're traveling. So you can bring this with a hotel to you. You always have access to Android TV. But what if you want something a little more permanent, right? So here in the box, we've got a Mi Box S. Mi Box S is great because it's 4K enabled. It's got Chromecast. Really, this is just the perfect set-top box for any home. Now, again, pretty hard to choose. Let's choose later. Let's put it over here. So we've got audio covered, got entertainment covered. What about your personal fitness? For that, we have hidden a Mi Smart Band 6. What's great about this is the very first time we've ever had a full screen AMOLED device. And it's got 6 auto-detect fitness tracking features. It's really great, so you start going for a run, it automatically knows. But let's say you want something a little more watch-like. For that, we have Mi Watch. So it's really light, just 32 grams actually, and super comfortable. Again, hard to choose, right? So, just drop these over here for now. Okay, so we've got all this covered, but what about home and family, right? For that, we have Mi 360-degree home security camera. What's great about this is you can check in a home at any time. If you want to check in on your cat, your dog, or pretty much anything else going on at home. It's your guy. Okay, let's drop this over here. So we very clearly love boxes. Got a couple more. For that, we've got some of our bunnies. So this is the photo bunny. And then we have our tech bunny. Next up, favorite bunny, personal favorite bunny, keyboard bunny. And most importantly today, Explorer bunny, keyword Explorer. Come back to that in a second. Now, if you ever find yourself trapped in a box, one thing you're gonna want is earphones. So these are the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic. Great thing about this, 20 hours of battery life, so if you're stuck in a box all day, got audio. They also have dual microphone, noise canceling. What that means is you can be able to block out the sound of all these balloons. But you need a phone to pair this with. So, where's that gonna leave us? Okay, so we mentioned phones, and I mentioned the word explore. Now Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Mi Fan Festival, it's all about exploring the possibilities. So, let's explore the possibilities of what's inside this box. So first off, special Mi Fan Festival branding. And inside of this, I believe are some super cool stickers. Inside of this box, got a screen protector, but let's get on to the most important thing. Most importantly, I have an amazing phone, 108 megapixel camera, 120 hertz display, and 33 watt fast charging. If we flip this over, on the back, gradient bronze, but also this really, really special Mi Fan Festival branding. This can be the perfect phone to explore your possibilities. So this is Redmi Note 10 Pro Mi Fan Festival Special Edition. Really excited to see how you explore the possibilities of your life, made better through Xiaomi smart technology. Let's drop this over here. So we've got 13 great products inside of 13 great boxes, but might have been wondering what this suitcase is doing over here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pack all 13 of these boxes inside of this suitcase, and we're gonna send it to one lucky me fan. Now, how you can win this, leave a comment on my Twitter below about your story with Xiaomi. Beyond that, guys, I'm looking forward to exploring the possibilities in 2021 with you. Daniel out. Thanks for joining us.